Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wormy Garden. Are you ready to tackle those pesky weeds in your Zone 7A garden? Today I've got expert tips to help you conquer the most stubborn weeds. Let's get right into it. First up, bindweed or Convolvulus arvensis. This twining vine chokes your beloved plants by climbing and spreading underground. It's hard to control because of its deep regenerative roots and prolific seeding. A crucial tip, never till where bindweed exists. It'll just spread the root fragments and make things worse. Next, we have Thistle from the Cirsium genus. These sharp, spiny invaders have deep tap roots that make them painful and persistent. They regrow from root fragments and spread their seeds by wind. To control Thistle, use a shovel to remove the entire taproot and make sure to cut back flower heads before they turn to seed. Then there's Ragweed, Ambrosia artemisifolia, a real headache for allergy sufferers. It can smother crops and wildflowers, releasing over 1 billion pollen grains and up to 60,000 seeds per plant. The key to control? Pull early and often. Their roots are shallow, but timing is everything. Get them out before they set seed. And who can forget the common dandelion, Taraxacum officinale? These spread rapidly via floating seeds and regenerate from even tiny root fragments. For effective removal, use a dandelion digger tool and pull when the soil is moist to ensure you get the full root. Now let's dive into some natural weed control strategies that'll make your life easier. First, early intervention is crucial. Walk your garden 2-3 times a week and pull weeds before they flower or seed, especially in early spring and after rains. Mulching is another powerful tactic. Apply 2 to 4 inches of mulch like straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips around your vegetables, flowers, and fruit trees. This smothers weeds by blocking sunlight and keeping the soil cool. Weed barriers are also effective. Lay down landscape fabric or cardboard in pathways and under mulch. They allow airflow and moisture while suppressing growth underneath, perfect for raised beds and between rows. Don't forget soil health. Healthy soil supports vigorous plant growth, which outcompetes weeds. Add compost, worm castings, and organic matter to boost microbial life and soil structure. Avoid overtilling. It disturbs beneficial fungi and brings buried weed seeds to the surface. Here are some bonus tips from the Wormy Garden. Interplant closely to shade the soil and limit space for weeds. Use cover crops like clover or rye in off-seasons to crowd out weeds and improve soil. And remember, worm castings plus mulch equals powerful weed armor. This combo feeds your plants while locking out invaders. Thanks for tuning in to the Wormy Garden, and happy gardening!